All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, I told you yesterday we were going to start going over the Gas 2 module that we started. It was a pretty short module, so we're just going to go over it really quickly and see exactly what it was about. So basically, in this section, we'll be going over the concept of block rewards and EIP 1559. So the main takeaway from this section is that the block reward is the incentive for miners to mine blocks and secure the network. It is a reward that miners receive for successfully mining a block and adding it to the blockchain. The block reward is made up of two parts: the block subsidy, and the transaction fees. The block subsidy is the fixed amount of cryptocurrency that is awarded to the miner for successfully mining a block. Now, the more people that use the network, the more transactions are made, the more transaction fees are paid to the miners. This is why it's important to have a healthy and active network, as it ensures that miners are incentivized to continue mining and securing the network. The block reward is what keeps the network secure, functioning properly. So the more people that use a chain, the more expensive it is to send a transaction. This is because the miners will mine the chains with the highest incentives. So basically, the higher the fee you pay, the more you're likely to get your transaction included in the mining process, because the miners are going to go after the highest fees, of course, so they can actually have the highest incentives to do their work. But basically, that's what everything was about in this module here. Like I said, it was pretty short, and we did start the next one here. It was going to be high-level blockchain fundamentals, and that's what we're going to be starting tomorrow. So yeah, look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.